Hello there, beautiful people. I hope you are having a creative day. Today, I want to share a free Wix Studio template with you guys. And this template will help you rank your products better on search engines as well as increase the conversion, the sales, the profit of your online website. So, I have added some special features in this template that will help you rank better. One thing I have seen in Wix and Wix Studio website is that the product page and the blog pages have low performance score. So I have already created a tutorial on how to create custom blog, and in that video we have increased the performance score up to 99. In this video we will increase the performance score of the product pages to 98, around that. So what I have done here is that I have added a product catalog, and this is basically a collection of landing pages for your products. Okay, so for example, I have added this demo product here. This is software for workflow. All right, so we have the H1 heading, then some features, the buy button. We have some features, special key features, and some points that you can make to sell your product. After that, we have some product specification, we have the testimonials, the FAQ section, and the HTML section here to hold more HTML content. And this particular page is specially designed for SEO purpose. Okay, so unlike the product page of Wix Studio or Wix in general, which when compared to other website builders like WordPress and Shopify, it isn't able to compete for the search ranking. This will help you overcome that. Okay, so for example, right here, as you can see, this particular page has a speed score of 98 on desktop and 54 on mobile. Okay, you can increase more on mobile if you get rid of some images, like hide some images, but 54 is good as well. But for desktop particularly, we have 98. So this will be much better for your SEO. Furthermore, we have more HTML content here. So Google will love your web page. Google loves the pages that has more content, more relevant content. This is something that you can't add to the product page. Furthermore, the design here will help you convince your customers to buy your product. All right, so you can add as much content as you want. You can add as many points, as many key features, and different element that you want. Okay, so for example, you can add a video like tutorials for your software or your product, how to use them. So let me show you first the home pages. So I have created 3 home pages for this template. By the way, stick together because I will show you how you can create your own landing page. So this is the very first home page we have here. So the products and everything, right? So this is based on CMS as well as the inbuilt product widgets. Then we have the second home page. This will help you increase the conversion. So if you have more than like 10 categories, this will be a good option for you guys. So for example, we have all the best sellers, new arrival, ongoing sales. We have a countdown here, so we have the category here, we have the products, and so on. Okay, so this is for those guys who have more than 10 categories or want to showcase their categories here. Everything here is automated. Okay, so this is connected to the CMS collection. After that, we have a third home page where you can allow your users to search for the products, and we have the product categories here, some about section. This is for people who have small collection of products, so it's best for those guys. Then we have the shop, of course, and finally we have the most important element, the product catalog, which will help you rank better and sell more. Now let me show you how you can add your own landing page in this product catalog. So you have to go to your dashboard after adding the template, go to the CMS, and right here you will find the landing page. Okay, all the landing pages will be added right here. So add an item and open it. Now let me show you where is what and what should you add in each element right here. So I have used ChatGPT to create a demo product. Um, Talking about the ChatGPT, here is another tip for you guys: do not use the AI content generation tools because they will harm your website's SEO. Okay, search engines. Personally, I have seen that when you use the AI generated content, your rank drops. Okay, so do not use them. Write your own content. All right, so first of all, we have the product name here. So add your title. After that, a very short description, which will be, let me open the website real quick so I can show you where is what. Okay, so this is the title, which we have added right here. Then the short description is this one. So you can add formatted text in this section. So for example, I can go here, copy this text, and add it right here. Okay, you can also add lists. Okay, you can also add links, anything you want, you can add them right here. So that will appear here. Then we have why choose this product, and then a paragraph. So this is uh, you need to change it inside the editor. So if you want to add a different heading, this is not connected to CMS. This one is connected to the CMS, which is the short intro for the best features. So let's go here and let's copy this, for example, and paste it right here. Then we have the cover image of our product. The SEO heading is your title that will be shown in the search engine. So let's copy this and use it as the SEO heading. Then we have the product tags. These are for SEO as well. Add comma after each tag. Okay. Then we have the meta description. The meta description, I will say the character limit is 150. Okay. So 150 to 160, which I have added right here. Okay. So each element has a help text as well. All right, after this, we have the main product description, which is at the very end of the page, okay? So add as much information you can add in this section, okay? The text information you can add right here. The key feature is where you will add the images of your product as well as the features, okay? So for example, I can add the image right here. Let's select multiple images. All right, and for each image, you will have a key feature. So copy this, go to this image, in title, write the title of your feature, and in the description, you can write the description like this. And in the alternative text, you can add the alternative text as well. You can also add videos in it, so any kind of tutorial you have, you can add them here as well. Okay, so you can add the title and everything. Once you are done with this, do the same for each of these images and click on save. In the main product buy link, you have to add the product link, the page link of your product. So let's say I want to sell this one. So copy this and paste it right here. The button to link is we have right here. So you can add any other link here as well. The feature one heading, we have the features right here. So you can add up to 4 features. If you want to add more, you can go to the editor and add more features. So I'm gonna add this one, then a short description, and then a background. So let's say I want to add a gradient like this. All right, so we have the landing page right here. Okay, so as you can see, we have the title, the short description, the buy now button here. If you click on it, you will go to the product. Then we have the feature we have just added. This is the first one. Then we can add for three more. The key features are right here. As you can see, the image, the title, and the short description. The product specification you will find right here. So this is for the left side, this is for the right side. Then we have the testimonials. So we have customer name, then the testimonial. We have four of these testimonials right here. This one right here will be your FAQ section. All right. So all these elements are pre-built. All you have to do is add the content based on the help text I have added right here. Okay. And each of these pages will have a speed score of around 98 and 54. Okay, the best practices as well as the SEO score is great for these pages, and this will help you rank better. So your product page will be responsible for schema and orders, and your catalog page will be responsible for the SEO and engaging your customer, increasing the sales. Right now, you can easily change the layout, add more content, add more sections, and do whatever you want. But the basic idea is that we want to create a landing page using the CMS. All right. So yeah, this is a great template for you guys. It's absolutely free. So yeah, make sure to get it from the link in the description, and you will be able to rank your website better on search engines. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.